Hey guys, Adam here. So we're going to try something new. I've had a lot of encouragement from my friend John Saunders to maybe give this a try. He has started a new daily update in the shop kind of video, and also John Grimsmo over at Grimsmo Knives. He started the new daily vlog where he's talking about his thoughts and things kind of going on behind the scenes there. And you know, I watched John's video, John Grimsmo's first vlog video, and I really enjoyed it. I really have enjoyed all the ones he's brought out, and they are very encouraging. Now, the idea behind that is not something new to me. It's something that I actually wanted to do in the past, and I did a few on Patreon. It was sort of an extra thing to put out there for my the patrons that were out there supporting me, and I just found that my week-to-week videos that I try to do with the projects and SNS and that kind of thing, I didn't really find enough time to do that all the time. So it sort of fizzled out. I didn't get to any more, but I'd really like to try this. But what I want to do is get your opinion on this as my viewers that are taking the time to watch this. Let me know, would you like to see something like this from me? And I'm not saying this would be an everyday thing. This is going to be maybe every week or just whenever I have time to do this. So like today is Sunday, and I've actually been out here working on the parking attachment. We're going to show you a shot of that right here, and I'll show you what I'm doing and what I plan to do. We got some barbecue going out there, but you know, this could be an interesting video that I could do and try to keep it, say, 5 to 10 minutes. Try to keep it short and show you what's going on behind the scenes or in between the other videos there. I might be able to show you some of the tooling, or I have a lot of guys that ask me questions about things in the shop. Hey, can you show me this? Can you explain this? Can you talk about this a little bit more? Might be a good time to do something like that. I don't know. I'm just kind of spitballing ideas there. But I would like to hear from my viewers and let me know what you think about something like this. Not a really fully edited video, just kind of shoot and upload. So we'll see. So here we go on this is what I've been working on today. This is the parking attachment that you have probably already seen me work on. So I got the welding done today, and I still need to come in here and get the board done. So I've been letting it cool. I had the fan on, so it's finally cooled down, just a little bit of warmth to it. And I'm going to come over here and set it up in the K&T, and we're going to finish that bore. And by the way, I did measure it with my calipers, and we're still undersized there. So we had about a 5/1000 warp to it, so we're good to go. We should be able to bring that back to size. All right, so that's what's going on today. I'm going to try to get that finished up. And also, if you come outside here with me, I'm doing a Sunday barbecue, which I usually try to do on Sundays. This is my new grill smoker, and today I am doing some chicken. We got 2 whole chickens, and we got some chicken quarters that I had left over from last night. And then up here we have our we have the innards that come out of the chicken, a little bit of pitmaster privilege right there, a little SPG on there. And this time I'm using charcoal, and we got a little bit of pecan wood. All right, there's Stella chilling in her chair over there. Stella, she doesn't have that much interest right now. So another quick thing I thought I could show you is inside my welding cabinet here. I was over here getting the rods out. I don't believe I ever showed this on video, what the inside of my welding cabinet looks like. But I got a lot of electrodes up here, a lot of stick rods. We got flux. There's my TIG fingers from Jody. And I have grinding wheels in here, and face mask, and just all kind of, like, you know, PPE stuff down there. I have some stainless flux core wire right there for the MIG welder. So anyway, that's the inside of the cabinet there. This is the box with the 1/8 7018. So you see I'm getting really low. I'm going to have to replace those pretty soon. This is an old box of 7024 rods, a cardboard box. I have a lot of stainless and custom, just different rods in there, nickel, what have you. This toolbox I got at the flea market, I believe I told you I had paid 15 bucks for it. So I kind of just turned it into my GoPro toolbox and started getting all of my GoPro stuff organized in one place right here. So that made good use of that little toolbox right there. And I think that's about all I had to share with you today, you know, just besides kind of opening this up out there for everybody to give me your thoughts and opinions on, and tell me what you think. Would you like to see this, say, once a week or whenever I can do it? I know that most of my viewers want to see machine shop footage. That's what you're here for, the machine shop stuff. I get that and understand it. This isn't necessarily going to be about machining. This is going to kind of be in between it. I can show you what's going on. Maybe we can talk about some tools and just whatever comes up, whatever I find that might be interesting to you to see. This would be a good place to answer those questions, possibly. I don't know. I want to see what you think about it. But I did get a lot of inspiration from both Johns to do this. So we're going to give it a shot. This is going to be a test and see what you think. So drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see some more of this update style video, and maybe we can bring you some more. So I'm going to get back to work on the parking attachment, and I'll see you next weekend.